Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an update for my project polish for you. Well, I've got some things to share, but first, well, of course I've got things to share. It would be kind of boring if I didn't have anything to share, but let's start off with the one that I have the least to share about. My Very M nail polish in the shade yellow. I don't think I've used. Once again, I've just been really gravitating towards this guy. I've been applying it back to back at times. And whenever I have not been using this one, I've used the one that I'm trying to finish up before the end of the year still. So, well, let's talk about this one first. This is a Colorclub nail polish in Wild and Willing. It's kind of like a changing color one. It's mostly bronzy, as you can see from the packaging right here, but it has some like bluish green tints in it. It's got a little bit of pink, golds, depending on how the light hits it. So it's a really fun color still for fall time, and I've been really enjoying wearing this one. I've made a similar amount of progress as I did last time, and well, I'm just enjoying using this one. I know it's very unlikely that I will finish either one of these off, so I'm just putting on my nails what I feel like putting on my nails at the moment, and making little bits of progress as we go. I'm going really fast. The last polish that I have been working on still was my H&M nail polish in Great Looks. I was hoping to have this finished off, but as I said, I've been gravitating towards this so much that I haven't really been doing the alternating. I think if I would have been doing like one time this one, another time this one, I may have gotten there, but like it needs nail thinner as well. It's like really low. We're at the point where kind of the balls are sticking out, you know, the mixing balls, whatever whatever they're really called, are higher up than the product itself, but I'm still able to get stuff out when I put it on its side and kind of put the brush in on an angle. I have to put thinning drops in pretty much every time I use it because it's definitely getting thicker because there isn't a lot left anymore. My guess is one, maybe two more uses and then this one will be gone. I've made a little bit of progress again, but it's not fully finished yet. It might be that my next application doesn't actually work out anymore, but my last application still kind of worked out. I could even do 3 layers. I'll explain to you why I had to do 3 layers in a bit, but yeah, I've made a little bit of progress. I think I've worn that one 2-3 times. And then lastly, we've got my Etos glitter nails in 005. I did wear this once and I've been able to make a new mark, but it sucks. I did finally get a peel off base coat, or so I thought. It's from OMG Nails. It's this one. It looks really nice actually. The packaging is kind of fun. It has some like big tropical leaves on it. So this is a peel off base coat, and I initially looked at the suggestion that you guys gave me, tried to see if I could buy that in the Netherlands easily enough. Had some trouble finding any of those, so I decided to just Google and see what I could find peel-off base coat wise, because I did want an actual peel-off base coat, because I know sometimes you have, and that was suggested to me as well, nail polishes that just kind of flake off at a certain point, but I feel like maybe that might not be the best for your nails if you purposely start pulling those off. So I decided to go with something that should have that function. Now, when I googled and like I found all these bottles that were like 10-12 euros, I was hoping to spend a little bit less just to try this out, but this was one of the cheaper bottles that I found. I think it was 10 euros or something, and I just bought it. It got home, I put it on my nails, and I realized that there seems to be this, like, I don't know, like there's like this oily top on it. It almost seemed like I tried to put my nail polish on top and it didn't really attach properly, and then like when I felt like this polish on my nails, I realized that it, like, I don't know. Then I looked it up because on the bottle it says read instructions before use, and then the website, and then I realized that this is a gel nail polish, so ones that you use with those UV lights. Not sure if that has anything to do with it, so anybody that knows a little bit more about those gel polishes, let me know. Is that oily, like substancey that's on top of it, is that normal? Like, do you need that UV light to kind of get rid of that or something? I don't know. But yeah, it didn't really work well because I already was halfway through applying the H&M polish on top of it when I realized, like, wait, this doesn't look the same as it normally does when I put it on top of another base coat. Yeah, so that wasn't the best. Then I needed 3 layers to make it somewhat looking nice, but it had a bit more texture just because it wasn't like attaching to the base coat very nicely. And then I put this guy on top and did my top coat, and that was it, or so I thought. But then it came to the point of trying to get it off, and I really wasn't sure whether it was going to work the way I hoped because I did not do the UV light thing. So I tried to kind of take it off, and I was hoping it would kind of come off in like one piece, but it was really like sticky. It kind of became, well, not sticky, it did not stick to my fingers, but it just became like a little ball. Like it heaped up when I started trying to push it off with my nails. And the other thing, and I don't know how well you guys can see that from here, but let me try and show you up close. This is what my nails look like right now. It's like, there still is a little bit on top, but at the same time it doesn't per se feel like there's nail polish on top still. It just seems like it really like went into my nails. I haven't tried to like properly clean my nails yet. I still need to do that, so I'll write somewhere here whether that fixed it or not. But this is not how I expected a peel of nail polish base coat to work, and I'm hoping that is because this one is actually a gel polish and I did not use it in the right way. That's not like how this polish usually performs for the people that buy this and actually use it. But yeah, not the best experience so far with peel of nail polish base coat things, but I'm gonna have to try another one because I don't think this was a just reflection of what a peel of base coat could do for me. But yeah, I thought this was gonna be a quick video and I'm still talking for 7 minutes anyway. I'm gonna try and remove that and reapply something else to my nails. But let me see, goals for next time. I do definitely want to make sure this one is done. It shouldn't be too much work to do that. I think 2 more applications max and we'll get there. And I'm probably just gonna keep using this guy. I'm gonna be traveling for about like 3 weeks soon as well, and I'm kind of trying to decide what I want to do because I always feel like it's a lot of trouble bringing a nail polish remover, nail polish, base coat, top coat, all those things when I'm traveling. But we're going with a bigger suitcase, so I might be able to, and I'm thinking I might just take one and just like reapply whenever I feel like I have time for it. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye.